Alright everyone, here we have my calipers that I took off from the last video because the e-brake mechanism was locked up. This one here is gonna be the driver's side one, or the left one. So that's not the one in question today. The one in question is gonna be this one, which you can barely adjust it, and it takes a lot of force to adjust it, and I want to figure out what goes bad and if you can fix it. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this spring, just like that. Spring gone. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to remove this bolt here, and then this bracket here. I guess in the recall, this must be the boot. This must be the boot that they replaced in the recall, and that just flopped right off. So I guess all they did, they just removed that bracket and just slapped this new boot on there, and that's it. And maybe that's why they still lock up. I guess next thing we need to do is remove these two bolts, and then that just falls off. So it seems like you can't do anything else on this side. So all you can do next is remove the piston and go in from the front side. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Put the bracket back on here so I could see if it was in the e-brake up position, to see if it was locking the piston right. Well, check this out. Now I can move it freely. So whatever I did, I guess taking it off and rotating it, I guess broke it loose. At the same time, it has also backed the piston out, I guess, for me rotating it and nothing being there. And I was trying to get the piston out because the piston screws. I'm gonna see if I can screw the piston all the way out, and I'm gonna see if I can take it out, and then we can see what all corrodes in there. But as of now, it is free. Oh, that's a lot of brake fluid. So I really can't see what I need to take this apart any further, nor can I see what could be replaced to fix this thing. But it seems like just taking it loose and turning this freed it up, which, you know, you can always give it a try before you take yours apart to see if that works. It only take you a few minutes, but as you can see now, the e-brake mechanism is free. It's no longer locked up, and that was the problem. So I guess you could take the e-brake cable out and then just kind of knock it back and forth and see, I guess, if it breaks up the corrosion that's inside, and then it'll last for a little bit longer. But you know, if anybody have had the idea of can it be fixed, you could take it loose, you could rotate it back and forth, see if it breaks corrosion, and once it does, your e-brake should function again because it won't be locked up. This has been our little experiment for today. Can you fix it? Maybe. Will it fix it? Maybe. Will it last a long time? I don't know. If you have the 6-speed, then you probably want something that's going to work right then. So this may be something in a pinch that somebody with a 6-speed could try. But the manual guys, yeah, you may want to try to, you know, temporarily take it apart, rotate it around, try to free it up, and keep it pushing. But I guess that's it for today's experiment. If you know something that I don't, or if I missed something, let me know. But until then, be safe. Peace. And this is what a 2014 Mazda 6 rear caliper brake piston looks like.